Situated in the seaside neighborhood of Alfred Drown, this handsome 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath colonial boasts many upgrades while resting on beautifully landscaped grounds just a short walk from the water. With an open floor plan and hardwood flooring throughout, the main level is perfect for entertaining and everyday living. Each room is flooded with natural light from the many windows and boasts crown and chair rail molding. The inviting family room provides a handsome brick fireplace and steps into the casual dining area with bay windows overlooking the backyard, featuring a deck, patio, and outdoor shower. The adjacent eat-in kitchen has been updated with modern stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, which flow nicely into the bright, formal dining room. Upstairs, the luxurious master suite is a private oasis with a custom outfitted walk-in closet and a private full bath with a spa-like soaking tub and a standing glass enclosed shower. The second floor also offers 3 additional generously sized bedrooms and a second full bath. The open third floor with skylights provides an additional area for relaxation, while the finished basement with a wet bar makes the perfect rec room for entertaining family and friends. Located in Barrington's desirable Alfred Drown neighborhood, this property is just a short stroll or bike ride away from several neighborhood beaches, as well as the East Bay Bike Path and a collection of nearby parks and local marinas. Barrington offers one of the state's top-ranked school systems, while also supplying access to a wealth of resources, including the Bayside Family Y, Rhode Island Country Club, and a town center filled with quaint shops and locally owned restaurants. In addition, this home is just a 10-mile drive from all the business, dining, and entertainment opportunities of downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Anna Clancy at area code 401-965-6746.